Hi. Well, I've decided I'm renaming Spring Thaw. It's now going to be the season of running water, because that's what Spring Thaw is. See up on the waterfall up there? It's so beautiful where it came down and ran over. And you know, running water, like when we want to see running water in the summer, we want to go put our chair by running water. We want to go camp by running water. But then you have to go to rivers and big streams or lakes. Then you have all your big toys to put in them. But just to hear running water, you just have to go outside in the woods somewhere. And the snow is melting. I hope you get to have snow. Snow is very lovely. But not everybody understands it. Not everybody really understands snow. And so the people, we don't like what we don't understand. Because what we don't understand scares us. But if you understand snow and love snow, it's a very nice winter. I mean, if you spend the whole winter not liking it cold, and you spend the hot part of the summer not liking it hot, Canada must be kind of inhospitable, because everybody talks about how bad the weather is. 24 years a day, 24 days a year. No, it's 365 days a year people talk about the weather. Do you talk about the weather? Well, you can start up a conversation with anybody if you start with the weather. And then somebody will probably toss in what they were doing that makes the weather good for them. If you're just walking past each other in the parking lot, well, you're not going to get much of a conversation going, but such a beautiful view. Let me show that to you again. I don't know if you can see it as I see it. See, this part of the water, of the moat, is all, is very thick. It looks white. But over there, see how shiny it is? See, the water has been coming in here and then going and making it into reflecting ice. A lot of the moat is not very easy to walk on because the top inch is now thawed. So just enough to make you be able to make a mess. Maybe it's a half an inch. It's a half an inch is thawed. Oh, wait a minute. Now, how deep does that go? Oh, that's pretty deep. That's inches thawed. Yeah, and when I get beyond there, then it's it's a pretty big inch. As far as my inches go. Anyway, so the water